guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm kind of really excited. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video using one of my favorite makeup looks. So for today's favorite makeup look, I'm actually going to be doing an easy everyday spring makeup look. Okay, I just washed my face. Now I'm just going to continue doing my skincare. I'm going to take the ITK Day Plus Night Eye Cream Duo. I'm going to take the Daytime eye cream. I'm almost out of it. This is like my favorite eye cream. I absolutely love it. To apply it, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beauty Eye Treatment Brush. So I'm going to go underneath the eye and then on the eye as well. And I just like to kind of pat that in with my fingers. I'm going to take my favorite moisturizer. This one is almost gone. I did get another one, but I love this one. This is the ITK Prebiotic Gel Moisturizer, and I like to apply it with the Anastasia Beauty All Over Care brush. Okay, while I let that soak in just a little bit, I'm going to take my favorite lip mask at the moment. This is the Lineige lip sleeping mask. This one is in berry. I really like it. For sunscreen, I like to use the sunscreen serum from ITK. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this and just dot it around my face first before I blend it in with a brush. I like to lightly apply some sunscreen to the ears as well. And then to blend it all in, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beauty Angled Care brush. I like to start blending it on the ears. Serum, but that's okay. Okay, for the brows, I'm going to do it quickly off camera because that takes a little bit longer, and then I'm going to come back. With whatever look I do, I always start with the eyes, so I'm going to prime the eyes. I'm going to use the Honest Beauty Everything Glow Primer to prime them, and to apply it, I love to use a brush. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beauty Eye Prime brush and just start priming the eyes. Okay, I'm going to set the eye primer now. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder to set the eye. Okay, so I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I feel like this palette is perfect for a spring makeup look, so that's what we're going to use for today's video. So I'm going to mix Golden Ochre and Raw Sienna, which is this shade and that shade, and this is going to go into the crease. I'm going to start in the crease and then blend the color up towards the brow and kind of in the inner part closest to the nose as well. And then I'm going to take a blending brush. This is the Morphe and Ariel number 811 and just blend in the crease. Okay, next I'm going to take burnt orange and a little bit of warm taupe, and we are going to place this in the outer part of the eye. Next I'm going to take Cyprus umber and I'm just going to stamp it on the outer lash line. I'm going to take tempera and a flat brush and apply this to the inner I'm going to apply it to the inner corner. Next, to prime the face, I'm going to take the same primer that we used to prime the eyes. For a spring makeup look, I always like to use kind of like a tinted moisturizer. So, and even for a summer makeup look. So I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer. This one is an opal. I'm going to take some of this on the back of my hand and start putting it. Okay, what I've been really liking to do is I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to dampen the sponge a little bit and just press the foundation in a little bit. Now it's time for some concealer. I'm going to take my favorite concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. I'm just going to go underneath the eyes with this and then apply to any blemish. To blend it, I usually like to use my finger. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Mini Translucent Powder and set the T-zone first. And then I'm going to switch brushes and set the outsides of the face. Okay, for bronzer, I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Right now this looks a little crazy, but I'm going to take the brush that we use to kind of set the outside of the face. I'm just going to blend it a little, bronzer a little with this, with what's left on the brush from the powder. For blush, I'm going to take the Jeffree blush in Rose Oro. I'm going to take it, I'm going to apply it usually higher than where I normally apply it. It's like not on the apple, kind of like right in here. What's left on the brush, I'm going to take it and I'm going to apply it on the nose and then on the forehead. And I've been also loving to apply it to the crease, just a tiny bit. Okay, now I'm going to apply some eyeshadow underneath the eye. So I'm going to go back into the palette and we're going to kind of go in the order that we used to on the lid and in the crease. So I'm going to take Raw Sienna and Golden Ochre again, and we're first going to apply those two shades under the crease. I mean under the lower lash line. Then I'm going to take Burnt Orange and Warm Taupe and apply this closer to the outer part of the eye. And that's all we're going to do on the lower lash line. I'm going to do the same thing, so I'm going to do the Raw Sienna and Golden Ochre, and then I'm going to take the blending brush just to blend that. And then I'm going to use my bottom lash mascara. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I also applied this on the top lashes. Lip mask has time to soak in. I'm just going to kind of rub it in the lip I like to stop kind of like right here on the lips. First I'm gonna, and then here I just do the bottom. What I've been also loving to do is kind of blending in the lip liner a little. Next we're going to Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink Lipstick in Cheeky. this in spring fever. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you in the next one. Bye!